Yeah, this is Ken Rosever, and this is going to be a shorter version of a concept I've already done a video for. So, weighted mean of tabular data. I don't know how to say that. Tabular data, short version. Here it is. In Alex, you'll be given something like the following. The table below summarizes the number of children per household for a sample of 38 middle-income families. So this table summarizes a survey of 38 different families. And they ask us, what is the mean number of children per household for each of these families? As we read through the summary of the survey, or the survey summary, we see that 9 households, let me use this. We see 9 households answered that they had 4 kids. 11 households said they had 2. 13 households said they had 3 kids, and 5 households had 1 child. So sometimes when we're given something like find the weighted mean or find the mean, if we forget what it is that this table is representing, we might run into trouble. But if we remember that this right here is basically that right there, then we'll be okay. Because basically they're just taking this is what the survey actually said. These were the answers from the survey. Okay? And if we had a list of 38 numbers and I asked you to find the average, what would you do? You'd add up the 38 numbers and you divide by 38. Well, you do the same thing here. But instead of writing them out in a long list, we know that there's 9 4s. So instead of doing 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 like that, and doing that 9 times, and then 11 times, adding 2 11 times, and 3 13 times, and 1 5 times, we know that repeated addition is multiplication. So our process here is going to be to multiply. To multiply the weight times the value. The weight is the number of times this particular value would appear in the array if it was written as in an array. So 9 families, 9 households answered 4 children. So that would be 4 times 9 in the addition. Repeated addition, we'd be adding 4 9 times. Well, shorter way, we do 4 times 9. We do plus 11 times 2. Weight times value. Plus 13 times 3 plus 5 times 1. And we do that weight times that value, and we take that sum and divide it by the total weight, which is equal to our sample size, which is 38. So you would have 36 plus 22 plus 39 plus 5, all divided by 38. Okay? 36 plus 22 is 58. Plus 39 is 107. Is that right? I'm guessing. 107 plus that is 112. And let's see, 33 times 3 is, well, off by 2. So that's around 3 when you divide it out. But whatever that is, they'll want you to round it to 1 decimal place, and that's how you do it. The formula is found on page 123 in your book, and here it is. Find the weighted mean of a variable x by multiplying each value by its corresponding weight and dividing by the sum of the products, and dividing the sum of the products by the sum of the weights. Here's the product, w, weight times value, divided by the sum of the weights. And that's pretty much it. You can watch my other videos for more detailed explanation on how to find a grade point average, how to use it to find the average daily balance, which is used to calculate interest, or for these simple type problems that you'll have in Alex. So that's it. I hope that's helpful to you. Remember, if you keep in mind what the table is representing, that it's merely representing a list, then you'll remember that this item appears 9 times, so it's 9 times 4, 11 times 2, 13 times 3, 5 times 1, you get it. Take that total divided by 38, and that is your sample mean. Alright, that's all for tonight on this one. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.